Welcome to a chicken mega factory, where incubation begins at industrial speed and surgical level cleanliness.
Every egg is scanned, measured, verified, and sorted by intelligent vision systems.
Robots handle eggs with precision, fast, gentle, and perfectly consistent.
These incubators are climate supercomputers, controlling temperature, humidity, and airflow down to the decimal.
Egg turning is fully automated, critical for healthy embryo development, repeated with perfect timing. This facility runs like a closed-loop system, designed for biosecurity, efficiency, and scale. Before anyone enters, biosecurity protocols reduce contamination risk to near zero. Each batch is digitally logged, traceable from arrival to hatch. Data travels with the eggs, temperature history, timing, and quality checks in real time. Surface sanitation is tightly controlled, cleaning the shell without stressing the egg. Cracks and defects are detected instantly and removed, protecting the entire incubation batch. Incubation is a recipe: temperature, humidity, and gas levels controlled like a precision process. Eggs are loaded into high-density racks, built for maximum capacity with consistent airflow. Routing is automated, every tray sent to the right incubator at the right time.
In the pre-setter phase, embryos develop in stable conditions, minute by minute.
Airflow is engineered to be even, so every egg experiences the same environment.
Filtration and pressure control help keep the hatchery environment consistently clean.
Turning prevents embryos from sticking and supports proper development, done automatically, day after day.
Operators monitor thousands of incubators through dashboards, detecting issues long before they happen.
Smart controls autocorrect tiny drifts, keeping conditions stable within tight tolerances.
When timing is exact, racks move automatically. No delays, no guesswork. Development checks confirm viability, removing non-viable eggs to protect efficiency and hygiene. Sorting keeps the process clean and efficient. Only the best continue to the next stage. At the right day, eggs transition from setters to hatchers, without exposing the environment. Hatchers maintain a specialized climate, optimized for the final stage before chicks emerge. Humidity and ventilation are balanced carefully, supporting a smooth, healthy hatch. The final hours are continuously monitored. Temperature stability is everything. After hatch, handling remains calm and controlled, designed to reduce stress and maintain hygiene. Non-contact counting tracks output precisely. Batch totals update in real time. Health protocols can be automated and documented, keeping processes consistent and traceable. Robotics prepare transport fast, reducing handling time and maintaining controlled conditions.
Even logistics are climate managed, keeping everything stable from hatchered to farm.
Now the broiler raising phase begins, where growth is guided by automation and data.
These barns are monitored like smart factories. Sensors track air fideries, temperature, and activity. Ventilation responds automatically, moving fresh air exactly where it's needed.
Feed delivery is automated, balanced portions distributed evenly across the entire barn.
Air quality is continuously measured, keeping the environment stable and healthy. Water lines are engineered for hygiene, clean delivery with controlled pressure and flow.
Staff focus on monitoring, using digital tools to spot trends early and optimize conditions.
Automated weighing tracks growth, helping adjust feed and climate for best performance.
Sanitation is scheduled and repeatable, keeping the barn environment consistently clean. One control center can manage multiple barns, standardizing quality across a massive operation. Even waste management can be engineered for efficiency, reducing labor and improving cleanliness. Biosecurity continues on farm, controlled movement, clean zones, and strict separation.
The result is consistent output, powered by data, machines, and carefully controlled environments.
This is modern broiler production, precision incubation, and automated raising built for the future.